Hi guys, Neon EUC here. Now first of all I just want to apologise for the lack of content that I've been putting out recently. A few reasons. First of all, I've just moved to a completely different location, so I'm just finding my way around, get my feet on the ground and meeting all the people around here. Now I did have quite a lot of videos already done and made. Unfortunately I had a few problems with my PC. I went to do a factory reset and I forgot to just put all my videos onto an external hard drive. My fault, schoolboy error. However, to give you an idea of what's coming up, I've got the review of the Gotway MCM4. Now, as you can see here, I've actually reviewed it before, but you know, that was when I first got it. I think it's time to just go for it again. I've had it for a whole year, and I've had a real good feel of it, and I've put it through its paces. And one of the things I've done actually, the battery was at 100%. And I put it all the way down to 13%. I wanted it to, you know, to ride to 0%, but of course it won't do the LiPos any good. So I basically really went flat out and just tried to really get the battery down to slow so I feel comfortable with, just to see how much it can handle. And I'll tell you what, the distance, the mileage, that is something that I was actually quite shocked, to be honest. But you know, that will be coming up in the video. Other reviews, I've got the drone coming up. I've had that for about 18 months now, so I think it's about time I do a review on that. I've got sound equipment coming up. I've got two different kinds of sound equipment. I've got this cheapy thing here for 30p. Yeah, I don't really use that. And then I've got a big microphone set, as you can see here, and that's what we'll be reviewing. And I'll be doing my videos on that soon as well. I've also got reviews coming up of an SSD card, which I picked up for £20. And it's 60 gig. Yes, that's for 60 gigabytes, and I was quite surprised just how good it was. Now, for the podcast, that is actually on its way. Now, unfortunately, the problem I've got with that is that, you know, I want to make sure it's free, and I don't want to get it for any Patreons to help me, but there is a cost to go towards it. Now, I'm trying to find out a way if I can get my own podcast free. If not, I may have to go by the YouTube route just to start off with and upload videos by YouTube from there. Okay guys, I hope that explains it all anyway. Please do give us a thumbs up or a thumbs down, depending if you like it or not. And also leave your comments in the video. Okay guys, so I'll see you on the next video. Thanks.